Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Sonali from It Starts at Home. And if you're looking for fun, engaging and interactive activities to do with your kids in less than 10 minutes in your house with the stuff available at home, this is the right space for you. All you have to do is just press the bell icon, hit the subscribe button, and you will be notified every time we post these amazing activities, and you'll be the first one to be notified. All right guys, so before I get going, I have been getting a lot of DM and emails and messages about how to introduce or how to build up a topic or how to take a topic forward with kids at home and to make activities around it. So I would just say, especially for the younger kids and the parents who are trying to teach their kids at home right now, all you need is a simple A4 sheet papers or a blank notebook or any kind of notebook that you have. And I'm going to show you exactly 8 to 10 activities today which you can do at your home. You can make using your pen, pencils. That's it. You don't need anything else, and you will be able to do either numbers or alphabets or anything with the kids who are 3 to 5 year old, especially if they're LKG kids, if they're in pre-K. This is the perfect one for them. So let's get going. Let me show you the amazing activity book that I have created for you guys today. In today's book, I will be showing you the number activities, and this is going to be a simple activity that you can create. By the end of the book, the child should be able to recognize the number from 1 to 10 by doing multiple activities over and over again. And we're going to keep it very simple, nothing fancy, some colored pens, some untidy drawing, and that should be okay. That's what I have done, and let me show it to you. So I have just taken a blank notebook, and because we're doing maths, you could just write LKG maths, and I've just pasted a picture here just for kids to be attracted, and some number stickers here. You could just write or make a balloon and write numbers, so the kids automatically know that they are learning about numbers. Okay. And then the first page is name, class, school, and year. We are just letting them be confident to attempt to write these things. Okay, now the first activity is number recognition. So I have written the numbers. You could use a sketch pen or a pencil to write the numbers here. Just to make the book colorful, I have just used stickers. You could use a pencil, you could use pens. I would say use sketch pens and write the numbers on front. And what you have the number associated stickers here. So if you have one, there is only one owl that's here, and they have to connect it right here. So you're going to hold it here, and they are going to connect it like this. So they are looking at the numbers, and then the numbers associated with the object. So that is applied maths that they're going to do here. Count the fruit and write. So I have just drawn a tree, and then I have left an empty space here. So they're going to count and they're going to write here. Basically, they are just trying to find different things. And here I have a little tracing activity. If you will see that I have made all the numbers, and I have given for the fingers to trace the way the lines are going. They can write 4 times with sketch pens. They can write 4 times with a pencil or a pen. Encourage them to use different crayons, because that will be fun to write one with 4 different crayons. Now you have circled the stars as per the number. Now this is a very interesting activity for kids. You can draw yellow stars with a yellow sketch pen, and all you have to do is with a colored sketch pen just write the numbers. That's it. Now what they have to do is, like I've shown an example, if there's a 3, they have to, including 3, they have to make sure they're circling 3 stars. So if there are 2, so you have to look at 2 just this way. So in the same way, the kids would be counting, and they would be spending a lot of time doing this. So the next one here I have, we are stacking up animals and fruits, and you have a simple space here. All you have to do is you have to count, and you have to write the number here. Then you have 1, 2, 3, and one of the bee flew up. You can write just 4. And do not worry about the stickers. You could just make stars. You could just make numbers like 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2. You don't have to do anything fancy. Moving on to the next one, I have here count down and write. So I drew these vessels, empty vessels, you could see. And I have pasted a couple of stickers inside. So what the child needs to do is count, draw, or write. So if you already have the stickers in here, you have to count, and then you have to write it here. okay? And when you don't have anything here, you have a number that's 5, they need to draw anything which is 5. It could be 5 dots, 5 lines, anything but 5. I have 6 written here. They have to draw something 6. So it's primarily number recognition with applied maths. And here you have all the numbers written multiple times. The child needs to find the numbers and they need to write. So like how many times 1 has come here. So the best way is tell your child to take a pencil and cut. So like every time they see, okay, 1, then 2, whatever they find, tell them to write here. So there is a space right here for them to write. This is primarily for recognition of the numbers for long run. Now the last activity is by now they have already done the counting and the numbers by writing, by seeing so many times that they have to find from 1 to 9 which number is missing from each one of them, and whatever number is missing they have to write here. So here they're able to understand the sequence of numbers, and there you go. So guys, if you have any questions, do let me know. Just leave in the comment section below. I'll be happy to hear. I'll be happy to reply. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and make sure you leave a comment. Thanks for watching guys. See you next time.